Listen now to your mind when it tells you to do what your